What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel with another video. So today we're back again with our airbag module. So last time we removed it, we sent it to safety restore. Okay, you can see here it passed the inspection. So we're about to verify, if you guys remember, all the airbag was blown. So I sent the airbag module to be reset. So normally everything should be okay and fine. So I'm just going to put it back and see what's gonna happen. I'm not going to record the process, but I will show you the end result. So let's get it. All right, so I put everything back together. The next step will be to connect the battery and see what's going on, see what's code we're gonna have to check what code we got, if we fix everything the proper way. So yeah, moment of truth. Let's plug the battery back. Okay, so moment of truth. Woo. So first, put the ignition key, put it on like this. Okay. Turn it off, remove, put it back on. Okay. All right. So now it's time to check. So now I'm about to see what kind of code we got here. Not OPT, airbag. No, where am I going? Ford. (2018). Yes. Quick scan. Okay, 15. Let's see what's going on. 15 code. What are those 15 code? Code. Let's see what are those 15 code. Occupant, driver side. Driver fantastic. Wow. Everything. So let's try to clear it up and see. Okay, we have 2 fault now. What are those 2 fault? I'm sure it's the seat. Because the seat is not really the proper seat. It's not the right seat. Driver side restraints also. Occupant class system. Okay. All right. I don't know what it is. Let's try to address it and we're coming back. So I tried to reset everything again. So I think we we all set up. The only issue we got is the seat, because that's not an original seat and there's a lot of difference in the, so the only thing we must got is probably the, you know, we only have one code, only one code. So they did a good job, to be honest. They clear everything up, but the struggle we got now is the seat. I must have to use my laptop to see if I can reprogram it. You see, that's the only issue we got. So let me try to figure out and I come back. Or to die. So I'm about to see if I can delete everything. Okay, so now the software is reading everything and I will try to clear up all the code. This will make content. Yes. Let's see. Alright. So it will read everything. The phone is about to die, so for Fiesta, yes. So we got everything here. Everything. So let's try to see if we can delete the code. Alright, so we clear up everything. Woo. Finally, let's check it out one more time. Hey guys, moment of truth. Like you see here, there is no more airbag light. All right. So if you guys remember, when I get this car, all airbag blow in this car, everything blow. But you guys know I have a background in software engineering. I'm a tech guy. I fixed it. So I use my laptop to do some type of programming into the system, and like you see here, there is no airbag code, nothing. Let me go back. All right, so yeah, I'm proud of myself. So coming back here, quick scan, no code. No code. No. Shout out to Airbag Restore. So we did it all together. All right, we did it all together. So no airbag light anymore. So we did it. We did a good job. So all right, let's get it. So no airbag light, no check engine light. Whew. 2 more things and we've done with this project. Okay, I will need to replace this strut. The driver's side strut need to be replaced, but I will replace both of them. Okay, and I need to paint the car, and after that we're done. So I need to schedule for safety inspection. I'm so proud of myself. This car gave me so much headache. Okay, so I was working on this car and I have a couple of issues with it. So that's how I end up buying this black car. You know, so much going on. But I'm proud that I was able to fix this issue. I'm so proud of myself, to be honest. That was the craziest build I ever had. Like, from replacing all curtain, airbag, I did it all, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, because there's more video coming out. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and let's get into self-review. Peace.